In this video I'm going to show you how I built this lamp. Hi, my name is Simon, and on this channel I like to show how I build different things. So if you think that it is something that speaks to you and you enjoy to watch, you can feel free and subscribe to my channel. In this video I've been building this lamp right behind me, and I'm going to show you how I built it, the whole process, and also the challenges and yeah, everything that was surrounding this build. And if you haven't seen the designing process of this lamp, it is gonna be linked in here. And there you can see actually how I designed the lamp and what was the process of designing it. So before you watch this video, you definitely go first and watch the first video, the part 1 of the lamp. And that is all what you need to know for now, and let's get to the build. I started the project with cutting 3 pieces of wood shaped as an arch. I used a planer to make the surfaces straight. After using the planer, I found out that the surface isn't straight enough, so I decided to use a router instead. After that was done, I used orbital center to sand down the surface, and then I turned the arch and repeated the process. In here I'm using a router to make a space for the cable. Then I glued 3 arches together and I let it dry. Here I have invented a jig that helped me to carve a round shape of an arch. Please don't laugh. I mean, it looks really funny, but it worked. I finished an arch with an orbital center, and then I applied the oil on the surface. I pressed the water pipe into the arch and I glued the bulb holder on the pipe. I drilled 3 small holes where I would later attach this construction. Then I used hot glue gun to attach the Bouclé fabric on the construction. And here is the result.